Hi, Vapi here. I'm recording. Today I'm going to show you, like I said, one of the businesses that I do is Futurenet, and hence Future Pro. So today I'm going to show you on how to create an advert, because basically you buy in with Future Ad Pro. You buy ad packs. Now there are two kinds of ad packs, the $10 one and the $50 one. Now once you buy this ad pack, because the future advertising platform program is basically for advertising your businesses. If you've got a business that you're advertising, so basically here is where you advertise. Anything else, let's say for instance I for one have EXP, I have Lead Lightning, I'm doing Forever Living, so I can advertise those businesses to people that views this. So once I buy $10, I get some views, and then if I buy the $50 one, I also get some views. So basically what I'm going to show you is how to set up an ad if you have a business. If you have a business and you want to advertise that business and you are brand new and you don't know what to do, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm basically going to show you how to set up a brand new ad. Now, as you can see here, you see the dashboard. This one will show you the balance you have, the ad packs you have, and then advertisement. You can also just go here and say create, or you can buy a new ad pack, and this is your team if you want to see your team. And this basically is your level of qualification, because if you, with Future Ad Pro, if you introduce someone, you get a certain percentage. Now that those positions, they differ. If you go here, this I just going to do it first. On here you've got level 1, level 5. As you can see, if you are just new, you don't have to pay any fee for that. And then the maximum $10 ad packs you can have, it's 10. Then the maximum $50 you can have, it's 50. And this allows you, if you introduce people, you'll get 3% out of those people that you introduce, and then you don't go any level further than that. And then if you come to level 2, you pay $30 per year or $16 for 6 months, and this allows you to have 25 ad packs and 100 ad packs, $150 ad packs, and then the list goes on. And you can see that I am the last one, because on here you get to have 8% on the people that you introduce, and then 8% on the people that were introduced by the people that you, the 4% by the people that you introduce, that were introduced by the people you introduced, sorry. And then you have that so you go 5 level deep down. And then on this one also you have the lending system with this one, where you can promote that lending system, and then you get leads through that one. And from there, that's where you purchase. Now, the one thing that people also miss, if you go back to here, you see you've got this advertising account. Now from this advertising money that you have here, you can buy more views. For instance, if you have less views, or you can use it to upgrade your status. Mostly this is what I use this for. I've just recently ventured into advertising my businesses more. So, and let's go back to creating ads, because this is the purpose of me creating this video. Now if we go here and say create new ad, now here. For instance, let's say I am going to advertise what am I going to advertise? I've got this link. I'm not sure whether I have it somewhere. I'm just going to set this as an example. It looks like I don't have okay, let me advertise the easy one up. This is, I'm just trying to set up a, okay, let me advertise this one. So let's, for instance, I want to advertise that particular business. This is a source of traffic. So what I'm going to say is, this should just have to be creative on your own. So I would say, get more people to your business. Let's say, get more people to your business. And then on here, I need to sort of create an attracting message that will attract people who click on my link or on my advert instead, because there are thousands of adverts that people would be putting out. Now on here, I'm going to say, since I've said get more people to your business, say a great source of traffic. Now this, I'm just thinking on top of my head. You can do better than what I'm currently doing now. A great source of traffic. Any business needs eyes on it. Yeah, I'm just thinking on top of my head, so bear with me on it. So get more people to look at your business. And then on here, I will put the link of whatever. Okay, so let's put this one. This is Udemy. Udemy is a place for traffic. And then on here, you can choose whether you want women to look at, because you've got those products that are just for men, and you've got products that are just for women. So because on here, you can introduce anything. Now, if you've got, now mine, it's any, since it's a traffic for any business. Then you can also choose the age, and you can choose the country where you want this. You've got those targeted people. Let's say, for instance, you've got a certain product that can only be sold in Canada. So on here, you can choose Canada or Angola or Namibia for that matter. I will leave it as any. And then you have the language manager here, and then you can choose in what language you want this to be put out as. And then now you can see as you type here, this generates here. This is basically the preview of your ad. And then on here you can set views on how many. Let's say, for instance, for starters, I want 5,000 people to look at this. So that is how. And then I would just say submit. And then once I submit, I can always delete this later because I didn't think this through, but I'm just doing it for showing purposes. So let's submit. Now once I submit, immediately this would be sent out. As you can see, I have several ads here. One where I've allocated 20,000 views, then I've got 17,000 views, and then I've got 10,800 clicks, and then the same thing with that one. And then so this one was rejected. Can you see that this ad was rejected. Probably I did something or somewhere that was not properly, even that one. So you can see that this one was rejected, but the rest. So you can also see the reason. Apparently the link that I have on there cannot be included in an iframe. The website cannot be included in an iframe, so I might as well just delete that ad, and hence we move on, because I did not think this one properly, so I'm going to delete it. But anyway, this is me. I basically wanted to deliver, I'll show you how to create an ad, because that is quite straightforward. So have a nice day, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and leave a comment, a like, because I'm still growing my YouTube channel, and I highly appreciate your comment, your likes, because this brings more engagement to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much. Have a great day.